Hi guys, this is Preeti and you're watching my solution. In this video, I'll be marking you the reproductive system chapter. Uh, Important questions, that is RS questions. All of you might be knowing by this time that RS questions are most important for the university exam. From the first chapter of reproductive system, that is sex differentiation and development, puberty and menopause. The important questions are Turner syndrome and Klinefelter syndrome. Only these two questions are important. The clinical features you need to know. These two questions are important for 5. Either they may ask for 5 mark or 3 mark. You may even draw the diagram too. And from the next chapter, that is physiology of puberty and menopause. Puberty, the stages of puberty are important in boys and girls also. That's important for 5 mark question, or they may ask for 3 mark question. And menopause is important for 5 mark question. Amenorrhea is important for 3 mark question. In other chapter, you will get detail. Only these 3 questions important from this the chapter. Next, coming to the male reproductive system. In this blood testis barrier is important. Serotoli cells is important. That is role and its location. The functions of blood testis barrier is important. Functions of serotoli cells are important. Then epididymis and its reproductive role is important. Seminal vesicles and prostate gland are important for 3 mark question. Only that's all for this from this chapter. And coming for spermatogenesis, which is 124 chapter. Capacitation is important for 3 mark question. Normal sperm count also they may ask as a sub question. Regulation of spermatogenesis is important for 5 mark question. Hormonal factor and semen analysis is important. Composition of semen, that is in semen analysis only. And vasectomy is important for 3 mark, which is a sterilization technique. Next, coming for the next chapter 125. Testicular hormones is important for 5 mark. They'll ask endocrine functions of testes in fetal and in adult life, important for 5 mark question. And inhibin is important for 3 mark question. Its function is important. Next, coming for the female reproductive system and oogenesis. Functions of ovary is important, and regulation also important. That's all from this chapter. Coming for the next chapter, development of ovarian follicle and ovulation. Stages of follicular development is important for 3 mark question. This diagram you can write. And corpus luteum is important for 3 mark questions. Its functions is important. Formation and function is important. Next, ovulation is important for for 5 mark. Definition, sub questions will be definition and regulation. Indicators of ovulation is most important. Any 3 indicators they'll ask for 3 mark, or else all indicators for 5 mark. From menstrual cycle and menstrual disorders. This menstrual cycle is important. Hormonal changes during the menstrual cycle important. Disorders of menstrual cycle, sometimes they may ask you. Amenorrhea, I told you, here it was a bit detailed here, treatment for amenorrhea and all. Next, coming for the chapter 129, that is ovarian hormones and control of ovarian functions and applied aspect. Estrogen function is important for 5 mark. Physiological actions of progesterone is important. Hypothalamo pituitary axis, which we marked before only, that's important. Coming for the chapter 130, that is physiology of copulation. No important questions from this chapter. Then pregnancy and parturition. Physiological changes during pregnancy is important. Placental hormones is important. Feto-placental unit is important. Female infertility is important. And changes during pregnancy, that is CVS changes, is most important. Next, coming for the physiology of breast development and lactation. Role of hypothalamus in lactation is important for 5 mark. Next, physiology of contraception is most important chapter. IUDs are important intrauterine devices. And OCPs also they may ask you, oral contraceptive pills and their side effects. You see that also. And this is all about the reproductive physiology. These are the important questions from the reproductive physiology chapter. If you want lengthy videos of these questions, do follow my channel. And if you have any suggestions, let me know in the comment section. For more videos, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel and appreciate my efforts. Thank you.